we're getting a battery terminal sort of isolator thing where you can turn off your what you call that, switch off your battery by not using it, because my car is a garage queen, you know. Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share a cool little tip that could potentially help keep your car safe from the theft and prevent those annoying battery draining issue. So here's the deal. Most car thieves will try to disconnect the battery to disable the alarm or other security features, right? But what if I told you there's a simple way to make it a bit harder for them? Yup, you heard that right. All you need to do is just install this battery terminal on the negative side of your car battery. It's pretty straightforward and you can get this terminal for just like 20 bucks at any auto parts store. Now you might be wondering how this little thing can make so different. Well, here's the trick. When you install this terminal, it acts kind of a barrier. If someone tries to mess with your battery, they have to deal with this extra step like removing this the 10mm board or 30mm board, and then they have to reinstall it. Will make it less appealing for thieves. So plus having this terminal on the negative side, it actually helps to prevent any unnecessary battery drain. Sometimes small electrical components in the car can draw power from the battery even when the engine is off. Yes, there's few times that my old car, like the van, has the battery is depleted because I left it hanging there for a couple of weeks, and especially when I go overseas. And if you don't have a trickle charger or remove the battery from the terminal, that's where when you go back to your car, you'll find your battery is completely drained out. So with this terminal in place, it acts as a disconnect switch, saving your battery from draining out. So alright, let's go to it. And here, as you can see, I'm actually installing the terminal into the negative side. Here you see you can actually turn the green dial out from the terminal, so you can keep it safe for extra security. So remember, it's the small little things that can make a big difference when it comes to protecting your ride. So if you found this tip helpful, remember to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share with your friends who love their car as much as we do. So thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and take care. See ya.